Hello, welcome to solve this maths problem, which is 4 raised to x, which is equals to x power of 8. Solution. From my problem, a 4 raised to x, which is equals to x power of 8. So first, in the first step, we have to eliminate this x by multiplying the power by 1 over x, which is 4 raised to x times 1 over x, which is equals to x raised to 8 times 1 over x. Now recall that a power of m times n, which is equals to a times n. So by using this formula, this will be 4 power of x times 1 over x, which is equals to x power of 8 times 1 over x. Then this will be x cancelled by x, so 4, which is equals to x the power of 8 divided by x. Now in this second step, we have to eliminate this 8, so multiply the power by the power on both sides by 1 over 8. So this will be 4 raised to 1 over 8, which is equals to x the power of 8 over x times 1 over 8. So this will be 4 power of 1 over 8, which is equals to x power of 8 over x times 1 over 8. Now this 8 cancelled by this 8, so this will be 4 power of 1 over 8, which is equals to x power of 1 over x. Now this 4 power of 1 over 8 can be rewrite as 4 raised to 1 times 1 over 8, which is equals to x the power of 1 over x. So we can write this one as 1, which is equals to 2 over 2. So 4 power of 1 will be 2 over 2 times 1 over 8, which is equals to x power of 1 over x. Now this can be 4 power of 2 times 1 over 2 times 8, which is equals to x power of 1 over x. Now this will be 64 squared is 60, power of 1 over 2 times 8 is 60, which is equals to x power of 1 over x. So equate the base and exponent So when we equate the base 16 which is equals to x, which is from base, and when we equate the exponent 1 over 16, which is equals to 1 over x from the exponent, then x 1 is equals to 1 and 6 is equals to x, or when we crisscross this one, x will be 60. So our answer is 60. So we've got 60 here and we got 60 here, so this is the answer. Now let's check whether it is the correct answer or not. So from my problem, 4 raised to x, which is equals to x power of 8. Now the value of x is 16, which is equals to 60 raised to 8. So we can write this one as 4 4's power of 16, which is equals to 16 can be expanded as 4 times 4 power of 8. So 4 power of 60, which is equals to 4 square power of 8, and then 4, which is equals to 4 the power of 2 times 8, which is 60. So our answer is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.